Out of all the different buses and operators between the 1920s and the latter end of the 60s, they all had one thing in common: the hired hand. It was not sold to the bus companies, but out on hire and maintained by the company that hired it. Yes, the bell punch, but though it was small, it had several tamper-proof systems built in. The first thing, the machine would not work without a ticket. The only way it would work is by inserting a ticket. No ticket, no work. But with a ticket, it's fine. The hole punched must be clean, and the punched out part goes inside the machine. The reason for this we will see later. The tickets are in packs of 100, and each ticket is numbered consecutively and were printed by the bell punch company. Let us now remove the machine from its carrier and have a look inside, but it must be said that only authorised persons were allowed to open the machine after the conductor had handed it in at the bus depot. When the cash is moved sideways, a paper seal is revealed, the second of the tamper-proof systems. A tool is inserted through the paper seal and the cash underneath turned to line up with another hole. Then the tool can be pushed down to release the top cover. And the old paper seal can be removed. In the top plate there is the built-in box to collect all the little round punch parts. This is called chad. This is then removed. The chad was then separated into colours, which in turn represented the value of the ticket and had to tally with the money handed in. So this is the third tamper-proof system built in. And the fourth tamper-proof system was the little counter inside. Each time the punch was used, so it was recorded, and this of course told them how many pieces of chad there should be. After the machine had been emptied, the counter was then reset to 0. The catch is returned to its neutral position. A new seal is fitted. And the top plate is pushed home. All there is to do now is to ensure the slot is clear, and then the punch is ready for the next conductor. Well, what happened to all the thousands of punches that were out there? Once the Gibson type of machine was adopted by the bus companies, the Gibson type of machine used a paper roll and was self-printing. Well, they were all returned to the Bell Punch Company at Uxbridge and met their fate. The end of an era. Fares please. Fares please. Plenty of room on top.